Welcome, in front of me is the OPPO Reno 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notification panel. From here, find the power saving mode, which for me is right over here. That is the default location of it. So once you find it, you can simply tap on it to turn it on. And as you can see, the only difference it makes, at least visually right here, is that the battery turns this kind of like, what is it, orange color, tiny bit. It's barely visible, there is barely any battery left, but if you pay attention to it, you can maybe see it. Now there is also a couple things that happens in the background. So as an example, mobile data and Wi-Fi will be disabled when the device goes to sleep, and this is considered sleep mode. So when you lock the device and you don't use it, it will go into sleep mode, disconnecting from Wi-Fi and mobile data, basically causing you to not receive any kind of updates that are basically internet connection reliant. So for instance, Messenger, Facebook, Instagram, all those applications will not be able to get any kind of updates as long as you're not using the device. Now once you interact with the device, you basically tap on a power key and it wakes up. It automatically reconnects, and at that point it will also sync up everything that it was missing. So you will basically get all the notifications up and like all at once in bulk. Additionally, if you want to preserve your battery a little bit further, you can do things like, for instance, dropping down your max brightness of your display. So as an example, if you're racking it at max brightness, which for the camera that is too much, if you drop it by like halfway, it yields you approximately like 3 hours of battery life. So it is a fairly decent battery life gain for just such a simple little tweak. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, to turn it off, you can simply either charge the battery to full or tap the button again to turn it off. So that is how you enable this, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.